Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to fill a shape with an image inside Google Slides using the full 2026 setup. This is one of the easiest ways to make your slides look modern, creative, and visually professional, even if you aren't a designer. So first, open your browser, head to google.com, sign in with your account, and open Google Slides. Once your dashboard loads, open a presentation or start a new blank file. Begin by inserting a shape. Go to Insert, click Shape, and choose the shape you want. Circles work great for modern designs, but rectangles, arrows, or custom shapes also look amazing. Click and drag on the slide to place the shape, and once it's selected, you'll see the blue handles around it. Now here's where the trick happens. Go to the Fill Color icon in the top toolbar. Normally this is where you pick colors, but instead of picking a color, choose the Image option. This opens up the image selector, and you can upload a picture from your computer, search directly through Google Images, paste an image URL, or pick a photo from Drive or Google Photos. Choose the image you want, and Google Slides will instantly drop it inside your shape. From here, you can resize the shape to adjust how the picture fits. The image automatically scales to fill the shape, but stretching your shape vertically or horizontally changes how it displays, so you can create cool custom effects. If you want to make your design stand out even more, click Border Color or Border Weight to add an outline, or open Format options to add drop shadows, reflections, or soft edges. You can duplicate your image-filled shapes to create design grids, photo collages, team member sections, or modern graphic layouts. This method is perfect for aesthetic presentations, business slides, or creative storytelling, and that's it. That's how to fill a shape with an image in Google Slides using the 2026 setup. It's fast, simple, and instantly upgrades the look of your entire presentation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next